Welcome to a special lecture to my special students. Dear students, when you talk about what is force, actually the concept of the force is very interesting. To understand the concept of force, you must understand the concept of inertia. Do you know what is inertia? Inertia is an inherent property. What I'm saying? Inherent property. Inertia is inherent property by virtue of which a body cannot change its state. If the body is at rest, will remain forever. If the body is in motion, it will remain forever. Right? If the body is going straight, it will continue to move into the straight. It will not change its direction. So then we see that inertia is basically the inability of a body to change its state of rest into motion and motion into rest. How's it? Now, who has given the concept of inertia? Anybody like to tell the name? I'll give you some options. A. Sir Isaac Newton. B. Galileo Galilei. C. Albert Einstein. D. Coulomb.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. 99.9% students say generally the concept of inertia is given by Isaac Newton. No, dear students, it is not given by Isaac Newton, it was given by Galileo Galilei. So, it is given by Galileo Galilei. Galileo has done a great job in astrophysics as well, right? So, from there, Sir Isaac Newton draw a conclusion that if a body is moving, it will continue to move. If a body is at rest, it will continue to be at rest. If a body will focus, don't go. If a body is going straight, it will continue to do so. There is something which prevents the body natural state to change. Body is in motion, its natural state. We want to make it to at rest. There is something which will change. Body is at rest, natural state. Body is at rest, it's a natural state. You can help me if you wish. So, body is at rest if it's a natural state, correct? But we set it into the motion. When we set it into the motion, something is there. Body is going straight in a particular direction, that is a natural motion. And there is something to change its direction. That something which changes the direction is called
Force.
Is called
Force.
Super. Is it clear?
Yes.
Though, dear students, you know physics is a word. Physics is a word which is derived from physis. Physis to know the Almighty, that is nature, that is God. So, some people say physics is the study of matter and energy. My language is comfortable? You are all brilliant students, I know this. So, What is force now? Force is what? It is an external agency. It is a push or a pull. It is a push or pull. We collectively call push-pull an effort. Force is an external agency. That is an effort. That is a push or a pull, which changes try to understand what I am saying, which changes or tends to change, which changes or tends to change. Dear students, what changes? Rest into motion, motion into rest, and direction. Tends to change. There is a wall. I want to displace this wall. I want to move this wall away from me. I say, oh wall, please go away from me. I'm applying effects. No, it's not going. Then I take energy drink. Okay, I accept energy drink. Okay, now I have come with energy. Means I have increased my effort. I'm applying the force. I'm applying the push. I'm applying the effort. The wall is not displaced. Oof. Tense. I am trying to displace the wall. Tends to change, but I am not able to change. How's that? Force is an external agency. Speak with me. Force is an external agency. Which can be pushed, can be pulled, by virtue of which it changes or tends to change, state of rest into motion, state of motion into rest, and direction. The input equations are the body is at rest and we set it into the motion effort engine. We'll say, sir, the body is in motion, we want to stop it, brake, that is an effort. Sir, we want to make the direction to change, centripetal force. Because anything whose direction keep on changing, we call it is a centripetal force, which makes the body to move into the circular path. How's it? Now, my dear students, when we talk about we're recording this lecture because you should understand the lecture will remain with you forever and it will be uploaded, correct? And whenever you wish me, I will upload a special lecture for you and then you can have a revision through that. You just message me the topic on the WhatsApp, I will upload for my students. Okay? Now, dear students, there is a general saying that force wins acting on a body. The body is accelerated, acceleration. The body is accelerated. Generally, we say that force is equal to mass into acceleration. No. Force is not generally accelerating. It may be making the body to move into the uniform motion. That, what kind of force that can be? But it happened again. Okay, good. Actually, I have to visit somewhere, and when you people ask me, I could not say no, because Vipin sir is for the students, by the students, with the students. Vipin sir के लिए students ही शिव जी हैं, कृष्णा है, क्राइस्ट है, मोहम्मद है, सब कुछ मेरे बच्चे ही मेरे भगवान हैं। वो गाना सुनते हैं ना, तुझ में रब दिखता है, मेरे बच्चों में मेरा भगवान दिखता है। Because student, you are true asset of my country. आप मेरे देश की सही जायदाद हो, तो हमने आपको और अच्छा करना है। We want to make you grow. Now, the force. Basically, the two types of force. One is called active force. Active force produces acceleration. When Papa is driving a car, self लगाया, Papa, engine is applying active force. Beta, active force, what do you mean by active force? Is that force which produces acceleration. Now, the car is going with uniform speed, velocity. Acceleration is zero. Papa, tell me, the car is going with uniform velocity. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Now, no force is acting on the car. But my child, car is going on. Force is there. Yes, such a force which produces no acceleration is called constant. Now I am standing on the platform. I am not moving. Constraint force. I am moving. Accelerated active force. If I am moving with uniform speed, means I am not changing the velocity, I am having constraint force. Can active force and constraint force coexist? Yes. When car is going up a hill, okay, the car is not flying in air, not going into the curd, but car is constantly moving. That is constraint force. It's constantly placed constraint force. But when it is accelerated, constrained and active. Have you seen fan? आप लोग हिली एरिया के हो तो आपको पंखे कम दिखते हैं। एक बार ना एक बंदा आया, मेरे को बोलता, अरे सर, मैंने क्या है? अरे यहाँ पर हमने कहीं पंखे का होल्डर नहीं देखा है, वो हुकवा नहीं देखा है, होल्डर ही होल्डर देखा है। मैंने कहा हाँ, क्या यहाँ पर ठंडी नहीं पड़ता है? मैंने कहा सर नहीं पड़ता है। अच्छा, फिर तो मरता भी कम होगा लोग, क्यों? पंखा से लटक के। So it is funny. You live in nature, so 25-degree average temperature in summer, God is pleased with you, and we people, anyway, we feel heat, we feel chill, anyway. So dear students, when you are moving with a uniform speed, active force नहीं है, constraint force है. When you are standing, a constraint force है. When you are running, active and constraint force इकट्ठा है, because acceleration. And you are on the ground. बॉलर है, बॉलर भागता है बॉल लेके, एक्टिव फोर्स, लेकिन वो ग्राउंड पे ही है ना, कंस्ट्रेंट फोर्स. How's it? So it was a special lecture for you.